Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Google Pixel phone with Google One Backup, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize your Google Pixel phone with Google One Backup, locate the Settings app on your home screen or in the app drawer, scroll down and find the Google option, then tap on it. Within the Google menu, look for Backup and select it. You will see a toggle for Backup to Google Drive. Make sure this option is turned on. Next, tap on Google One within the backup settings. If you haven't already signed into Google One, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your Google account credentials and proceed to log in. Once logged in, you will see the Google One interface. Verify that your backup settings are correctly configured. Choose which data types you wish to backup, such as app data, device settings, and SMS messages. After adjusting your preferences, tap Backup now to initiate the backup process. Wait for the backup to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on the amount of data. Once the backup is finished, you can check its status in the Google One app. Your Google Pixel phone is now authorized for Google One Backup. If you need to make changes in the future, simply return to the Google One app settings. You have successfully completed the authorization process for Google One Backup on your Google Pixel phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.